Today I'm taking a look at the SimPure PGC water filters. So we can see these are polypropylene and granular activated carbon. These are 5 micron. It is 10 inches in length, 4.5 inches in diameter. It's good for rust, silt, sand, chlorine, tastes, and odors. So got that nice polypropylene outer shell. This actually has a rubber seal on the top. That's something you don't normally see on these filters.
First we're going to turn off the unit, isolate the filters, and we're going to drain. While that's draining, pop it. And pull out the old filters. Check in there for sediment, anything like that. Go ahead and wash that out. Check our O-ring, make sure that is still in good condition. Drop in the filter, make sure that hole is fit inside the plug, and spin it back on. If you're on a ridge, get a few taps. If that's sitting up like that, it's no good. It has to be sitting inside that little hole. Now I can open these valves back up. Turn it back on. Alright, so that is ready to go.